Oh, I didn't see you then. Hello and welcome to the world of CAD. If you choose to be on this journey, you'll expand your perception of what is reality, and you might just learn a thing or two about yourself. So, buckle up, sit back, and relax for this joyful ride. A CAD is a plan or illustration of an object used to fabricate and simulate the actual thing. The software we use to CAD our robot is called CREO. This software and many others are used by builders and architects all over the workforce and all over the world. What is that? You want to know what CAD stands for? Thank you for your question. Feel free to ask dumb questions like these at any point along the way. CAD is actually an acronym. It was the first and only acronym in the English dictionary coined by Abraham Lincoln himself. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design Dictating the Detailed Development, Delivery, and Distribution of Dimension Drawings Determined by Democratic... Could we have a quick round of applause for my friend Sean? Yeah. Happy birthday, man. Here's to another healthy 16 years. Despite distressing, depressing, demanding, dreaded deadlines, do your best.